Hello everyone, this is an update on the face shield do-it-yourself coronavirus protection gizmo that I invented or thought of, whatever you call it. This is a cell phone holder. The cell phone would, I don't know what I did with the holder part, but the cell phone would clip onto there and then you could sit and watch your cell phone or watch a movie while you're relaxing so you don't have to hold it hands-free. And this is just a piece of, I'd say it's about 20 gauge plastic. Piece of metal with a little bend in it. May not need the bend. You get about, I don't know, 50 sheets of this and drill a hole through all of them. This hole is about 1/4 inch, 2 1/4 inches spaced, roughly 1 inch up, whatever works for yours. I'd like to find this material. I don't know what it's called. It's soft on the outside but pliable and you can form it. So you can change these things pretty rapidly once I figure out the proper hole spacing for this. So fold this about like that, stick it through the hole, put that through there, and bingo, face shield. Protection, keep your eyes protected. If you're working with people that are sneezing and they're infected, the virus can go through your eyes, it can go through your mouth. Somebody can make hundreds or thousands or millions of these for pretty cheap. I'm guessing this you can buy on eBay for about $3 a piece, quantities of them, and then this material is about 25 cents. And I'm sure you could get the price down on this and probably even down on that. Good luck. This is open source. Whoever wants to run with the idea, go for it. I'm not looking to make any money. It's just a great idea. Put it over your head and take care of people. Do what you got to do. Wear your mask. Good luck, everybody.